So we're going to freaking shout out this guy. This guy over here. Shout out to him. Her. I don't know. What are you gender? What's your gender? What's your gender? Go say it to the freaking subscribers. Go say it. A girl or a boy. Because if you're boy, I need the freaking boyfriend. What is it? So guys, we are here at neighbor. So this guy is my freaking neighbor. So I'm going to skip. Bye, bye, bro. Bye, 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 bye. You wait that all the time. And what? My YouTube channel. Bro, I'm going to skip now because go to YouTube and go type here what I'm going. Oh, hello. Yan nag-ano. Sino nag-gulo? God. You again. Yan eh, Ben. Ako lang. What are you subscribe? Shout out you. Ayaw ko na to. Hey. Shout out to you, boy. Hey. Shout out to you. That's kind of freaking. Hello, shout out to you because you're the lucky one. Hello. Shout out to you. Shout out to you. Shout out to you. You're so lucky. You're so lucky. It's for your mom. Bruh. Is this freaking John Doe? No, bro. Bakit babae? Ay, babae pala. Sasalita ka ba? Okay, I'm going to skip it now. So yeah, guys, y'all don't know what I'm saying. But what the heck? Shout out to you, bro. Shout out. I'm recording. Shout out to you. Shout out to you. Shout out. Shout out to XARY. Shout out to you, bro. Shout out. Shout out to you. Bro. Okay. Who are you, bro? Bro's not even freaking talking, but oh my gosh. Sasalita ba to? Oy, nagsasalita ka ba? Uy, Isa sa dito. Oy, shoutout to nagsasalita ka ba? Shoutout to you. Shoutout. Shoutout. Shoutout to you, bro. Bye. Alright, where's this guy? Hey, shoutout to you, bro. I'm recording. I'm recording. What the hell are you doing? Bro, bro. Those freaking voices so epic me. I hate this. Anyways, Galaxy over. Oh my gosh, why you?
Uy, ikaw na naman.
Bro,
It's you again.
bro, you're Filipino. Oh my gosh, uy, Okay. Finally. Are you a freaking tito too? What is your account avatar, bro? It's not the Michael Jackson that is freaking a girl. Uh, are you a diva, bro? Well, shout out to you, bro. Shout out to you. Shout out to you. Shout out to you. Oh my gosh, I'm recording. Bye. Oh, this is kind of diva. So, oh my gosh. Go join now because this guy again. Do you freaking talk? Oy, hello. Ako yo. At Pilipino ka pa. Alam mo, alam mo yung Sailin? Alam mo yung Sailin sa Manix family? Ika, shout out to them. Shout out to you. Bye. Okay guys, so I'm going to minty, minty chocolates. Oh, are you? I don't know, let's go to freaking another voice thing. My cousin's not kind of freaking. I'm going to therapy, so because I have no boyfriend. Please be my girlfriend. I go therapy. Dance karaoke. Uy! Karaoke! Karaoke palipad sa anak ng Santa Cena. This headphones probably. What the? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Hello. Oh my gosh. Yeah. I got love you. Go away there. Bruh, many over there, hopefully. Shang. I'm going to oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Gosh. Uh, bro, it says one place. There a place to freaking sing alone? So, is there a place to freaking sing? Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Wait a minute, I'm going to see some. Okay. Go and go.
Hello. Saan kayo? Saan? Sa office, hindi ka na napunta ng office.